Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own Caesar dressing. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh garlic, a couple of anchovy fillets, and a block of good quality Parmesan cheese. Don't forget a fresh lemon for its bright acidity and a raw egg yolk, which is crucial for creating that creamy texture. Using a high-quality extra virgin olive oil will truly elevate the flavor of your homemade dressing. Now let's begin crafting the creamy base. First, finely mince 2 cloves of fresh garlic and 2 anchovy fillets. This creates a paste. In a medium bowl, whisk 1 large egg yolk with 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard until well combined. This mixture forms the foundation of our emulsion. The key step is to slowly drizzle in about 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, drop by drop at first, while continuously whisking vigorously. This slow addition ensures a stable and smooth dressing. With our creamy base ready, it's time to build those iconic Caesar flavors. Stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice for a bright, tangy kick, and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce to add a savory depth. Next, grate about 1/4 cup of fresh Parmesan cheese directly into the dressing. This provides a wonderful salty, umami note. Finally, season with 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and a small pinch of salt, tasting as you go to achieve perfect balance. Your homemade Caesar dressing is almost complete. Give it a final taste and adjust any seasonings like salt, pepper, or lemon juice to your preference. Remember, balance is key for a truly delicious dressing. Once perfected, you can store your fresh Caesar dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. It's absolutely perfect tossed with crisp romaine lettuce, crunchy croutons, and extra Parmesan for a classic salad. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.